So what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you 7 ads websites where you can actually go on to posting your CPA marketing offer or promoting your CPA marketing offers on each and every one of those websites for absolutely free, because this is gonna be 100% free strategy and also guys a beginner friendly strategy. So make sure you just sit back and watch this video to the end and actually learn this exact same 7 free ad websites where you could post your ads for absolutely free and promote your CPA marketing offers. So guys, let's just simply jump right ahead into today's video. So you may just simply head on to any CPA marketing platform out there to get a CPA marketing offer. You could use the CPA Grip, you could use the OG ads, the Max Bounty, the Offer Vault, the AdWork Media, or any other CPA marketing platform out there. So just simply go on to selecting a CPA marketing offer which you want to promote right now. And guys, you just want to make sure you just stick on to this exact same 7 free ad websites right now. And the first website right here is gonna be the Backpage.com. So this is an amazing platform where you could go on to posting your ads for absolutely free and promoting your CPA marketing offers. And you can see right here guys, you could target any one of these locations right here. You could see the United States, Canada, a lot of countries right there in Europe, and you could actually go into targeting Australia and Oceania. You could target Latin America and the Caribbean, and you could also target Africa right here. So how do you post your ads for free on this platform? You just want to come right here, click on post ad, and if you do click on post ad, you actually have to sign up with your email address. It's quite easy to do that. And guys, right now I'm logged into my account. What you want to do right now is to come right here, click on post ad, and you can see 3 options right here. The first option, you actually have to post your ad for free, and it's actually mainly free. You can see the second option is to post local ad. You want to just simply use the paid, premium, and sponsored ad. You could also see right here that you could post in multiple cities also, and this is also a paid, premium, and sponsored ad right here. But you could just simply click on post free ad right now. If you do that, select the location which you are promoting an ad to. I'm just selecting a random location right now. Once you actually do select the location, select the category of the offer which you are promoting right there. Maybe I can just simply select one of these categories and select a subcategory right there. So if I do all this right now guys, I'll be taken to a page where I can actually go on to filling out this form. Fill out the title, the description, your age, and actually fill out this form appropriately to actually go on to posting your ad for free on this platform once you are actually done. So this is an amazing way which you could promote your CPA marketing offers for free using the Backpage.com. Another platform out there is called the classifiedads.com right here. And the classifiedads.com is also a free ad platform. As you can see, you could come right here and post your ad for free on this platform. If I do click on post ad for free, I'm just going to go on to selecting the location which I want to just simply go on to promoting my ad. But before you do that, select the category of the offer right here. So putting I select a random offer right now, and I'm just going to go on to selecting a random subcategory right now. You want to just simply come right here and put in a location, and if I do go on to put in a random location code, you can see right now selected one right here. All you actually have to do is to go on to putting in a title, put in your asking price, put in a description, and in that description you could make sure that the link to that particular CPA marketing offer is actually available right there. You can actually go on to filling out each and other details right there of this particular form right now. And once you do fill out that successfully and submit that guys, your CPA marketing offer will actually be promoted on this platform. You could also use this platform called the Classorg, and this is also a cool platform where you could post ads for free, and you could just simply click on post ad. And if you click on post ad right here, all you actually have to do right first of all is to verify that you're a human by completing a simple reCAPTCHA right here. So if I do go on to clicking on this reCAPTCHA right now guys, it's actually going to verify that I am actually a human, and I can then just simply go on to posting my ads for free. So guys, you can see right now the human verification has been successful. I'm brought to this page where I could just simply fill out all the details for my CPA marketing offer and go on to promoting that right here. So you could also use this platform right here called the List Joe to do that. You could use Listjo to actually drive a lot of traffic to your CPA marketing offers. So if you're using this platform called Listjo, you can actually promote your CPA marketing offers by sending emails to 1,000 home-based business owners, and you can do that right now. And guys, you can do that in actually 5 minutes just by signing up to the platform, inputting your email address and sending your message right there. And the cool thing about this is that this particular platform do have a very huge email list where you can actually promote 100 or send 100 home-based messages to a business owners today. And guys, the 100 messages which you'll be sending tomorrow will be to completely different 100 people right now. So this is actually amazing right there. You can use this to actually drive a lot of traffic to your CPA marketing offers. And guys, the sixth platform right here which you want to take advantage of, or the fifth one right here, is going to be this platform right now called the freead1.net. And you can use this platform to go on to promoting your ad by coming right here, click on post free ad, and you just want to go right on to clicking on close right now. You will just simply fill out all these details. You want to just simply select the category of your offer, the subcategory, the group, fill out the title, the description, email address, code, put in the website which you want to promote right here, and that's going to be the link to your CPA marketing offer. And just simply fill out each other section appropriately and promote that using this platform. You could also use this platform right here called the quickad.com, and if you do head onto this platform, you want to just simply go on to clicking on post a free ad also. And if you do click on that, guys, you want to select the location which you want to promote your ad to and follow the necessary procedures right there, which will be shown to post your ad for absolutely free on such platforms. And last but not the least, take advantage of this website called the sitelike.org/similar/freeadforum.net or .com, and you could use this platform to actually post ads for absolutely free. As you can see, guys, on this platform you do get about 77 free ad websites where you could go on to posting ads for absolutely free right now. You could see right now, guys, that the freeclassifiedsites.com is among them, the classifiedads.com, the free global classifiedads.com, and if you do keep on scrolling on and on and on, you'll be able to see a lot more free ad websites where you could post your ads for free and actually start driving a lot of traffic to your CPA marketing offers. So guys, I hope this video has been of help to you. If yes, simply go on to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure your notification bell is turned on all. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.